All right, good day, everyone. Welcome back to another daily analysis with the price action index. We'll go through selected pairs and I basically tell you what I'll be expecting for these sets of pairs to do during the course of the week, the month, and week, the current section, and for the rest part of the day. Now, starting off on gold, we would take a look at the weekly chart first before going down to the lower time frame. Now, the weekly, you can see starting off the week, I told you guys I would still strongly bearish on gold, but would at least want to see some major of bullish price action first, since that bearish bias was a higher time frame bias from the monthly. Monday, we had a huge push down, which was not really, it was expected, but I didn't expect that huge move. I did expect some bearish price action based on how it closed last week. Now, starting off today, we went round down towards the, I think, last 2 weeks low, rejected the level. And currently, it seems we're aiming to push higher. Now, going down to the daily, you can see we failed to close above this low right here. And it seems price is still insisting on holding this low. And currently I would personally not really want to expect much from gold. Like you already know, I told you guys I would love to see price trade towards this high. I would love to see price trade towards this that's previous week's high. Should I say mindfully and be careful? If it's not clear, if it's not clean and clear, just avoid it. But let's just say I'll be more interested in bullish bias for the now. Take note, we have this NFP week. Sometimes it's not really clear, and you can very well see we're still stuck within this range. Although, despite the attempt of breaking out, we're still stuck within this range. Although, I'm more interested in seeing bullish price action towards buy side for this week, depending on how we close today, though, because we failed to close below yesterday's. We failed to fully reject yesterday's low. Closing below shows are more interested in lower prices. Currently, we start the day pushing higher. So just be patient and trade safe. For London, I won't be doing anything during London. I'll just be watching price. New York, if something comes up that's interesting, I'll go after internal range liquidity. So moving on to silver. Silver is quite clear in terms of its bias. So I'll be interested in wanting to see silver trade back to buy side liquidity now. You can see how we closed yesterday. Very clean price action. Failed to close below Friday's low. And we also rejected that. Now this push would take us back to this buy side liquidity. So my bias for silver is very clear. I would want to insist on seeing bullish price action back to 78.893. Now, last but not the least, we have the dollar index. The dollar index has really been playing with us. So yeah, I actually did want to see price trading toward this fair value gap. I was not really interested in higher prices yet. We did run higher, trade back into the midpoint of that level. Now we're pushing lower. You can see we are still within a range on the dollar index. So this is not really the ideal time to be trading any forex major pairs, having the USD as the quote or base pair. You understand? Because it's really going to be hectic. When let's say for example, when the dollar index is pushing higher and you're expecting gold to push higher, gold is just going to consolidate. Understand? Because gold won't do that. Only when it's going to be clear is probably when we're expecting gold to go lower and the dollar index is going higher. Then you can see clean moves on gold. So for now, we are still stuck within that range. Hopefully, NFP is going to break us out of this range bound market we're currently in. So for those who are not really experienced, I would advise you guys to stay off trading till we break out this consolidating range. Understand? So that will be all for today. No much info. That will be all for today. To have a nice day and trade safe.